Want to see more cool videos on our channel? We do, so press this bell and enable to send notifications.
Number 7. 33-foot anaconda. Construction workers discovered a giant snake measuring 33 feet or 10 meters long at a construction site in Brazil. The giant anaconda, weighing 400 kilograms, was found after an explosion was carried out in the cave of Altamira. A video, which was recorded by the construction worker, shows the snake's giant body. That will remind you of the movie Anaconda, starring Jennifer Lopez and Jon Voight. The snake's body measures 1 meter in diameter. The workers chained the anaconda to a crane and later lifted it up to show onlookers its yellow spotted underbelly. However, it's unclear whether they killed the anaconda or not. Meanwhile, the footage showing the chained snake received criticism on video sharing platform YouTube. Several users slammed the workers for killing the snake. "Why on God's earth have these men killed this poor beautiful creature? This makes me furious. We just don't deserve to be on this planet," one user commented on YouTube. At the present, the longest snake mentioned in the Guinness Book of World Records is Medusa, a snake in Kansas City, which measures 25 feet 2 inches long. Number 6. Brazil River Anaconda. A huge Brazilian anaconda was captured in a jaw-dropping video while a trio of fishermen pulled it out of the river water. The serpent is seen moving away from the tiny boat, and in its belly appearing full of what must have been a massive lunch not long earlier. In the video, one man pokes the snake several times until the snake uses its size to push the boat away. The three then return to goat the snake further. The one man grabs the snake tail twice across the river until it's free. Local media reported that the three individuals had been fined $600 by environmental police for their careless act, and also they've been charged and face up to 18 months in jail for violating a law that prohibits chasing or hunting wildlife without a license. Number 5. The Nabao. According to legend, the Nabao was a terrifying snake more than 100 feet in length and with a dragon's head and 7 nostrils. But now local villagers living along the Belay River in Borneo believe the mythical creature was returned after this photo of a gigantic snake swimming along the remote waterways has emerged. The picture, taken by a member of a disaster team monitoring flood regions by helicopter, has sparked a huge debate about whether the photos are genuine or merely the work of photo editing software. Even the respected New Straits Times newspaper in Kuala Lumpur has asked readers to make up their own minds about the photos. Villagers who claim to have seen the snake, they have given it the name of Nabao, after an ancient sea serpent which can transform itself into the shape of different animals. However, the picture in question was later found to be a hoax creation. A detailed reverse image search of the photograph revealed that the water body neither belonged to Amazon Basin nor Borneo River. It was actually the Congo River located in West Central Africa, Congo. Number 4. Medusa. On October 12, 2011, a reticulated python was found in Kansas City, Missouri. The snake was 25.2 feet long. At the time, it was considered to be the longest snake ever in captivity. The snake was estimated to be 10 years old, and it took 15 men to hold it. After the snake was captured, it was adopted by the city's Full Moon Productions and was named Medusa. Since having been adopted, her diet has consisted of a combination of rabbits, deer, and hogs. She is capable of eating an 80-pound deer in one sitting. 3. World's longest snake. A humongous reticulated python measuring 26.2 feet long was captured at a Malaysian construction site in 2016. But the snake died 3 days later while laying an egg, news sources reported. The Malaysian snake was longer than a pickup truck. Those are about 19.3 feet, or 5.8 meters. It's also longer than Medusa, the longest captive snake on record, according to the Guinness Book of World Records. No one knows why the snake died after laying an egg. A snake that size can lay 75 eggs. Number 2. Titanoboa. 60 million years ago, in the mysterious era after the mass extinction of the dinosaurs, scientists believed that a colossal snake related to a modern boa constrictor ruled a lost world. With exclusive access to what one scientist called a once-in-a-lifetime discovery, the startling discovery of Titanoboa was made by a team of scientists working in one of the world's largest open-pit coal mines at Cerrejón in La Guajira, Colombia. It's a snake that dwarfs the largest anaconda found today, and it has the size and character to challenge T-Rex in the public's imagination. The story behind this significant scientific revelation began in 2002, when a Colombian student visiting the coal mine made an intriguing discovery, a fossilized leaf that hinted at an ancient rainforest from the Paleocene epoch. Jason head of the University of Nebraska to unlock the mysteries of this ancient time and discover exactly how the Titanoboa appeared, lived, and hunted. The scientists managed to uncover not just one, but fragments of 3 skulls, allowing them to derive for the first time what this ancient giant looked like. A scientifically accurate life-size replica of a Titanoboa was displayed at the National Museum of Natural History. Number 1. Giant snake photo. During World War II, a very high-ranking Belgian fighter pilot and squadron leader named Reddy van Leerde was on his way back to base from a helicopter mission in the Congo. During his journey back, he was astounded to see an enormous snake winding around the ground below. He instructed his crew to circle around so as to get a better look at the snake and take some photos. That's when the snake reared back and tried to attack the helicopter. Colonel Leerde guessed that the snake had to be a minimum of at least 50 feet in length. After several reports like this from others, Learde's pictures were sent to the CIA headquarters, where they were analyzed. It was estimated the snake could have been 200 feet long. Compare this to the longest snake on record, which is around 34 in length. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please let me know by clicking the like button. Do share, write a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so that you can catch up with the next video.